The summit was once again an opportunity to discuss among our fellow ASEAN member states and partners how we should navigate our future together. This amidst the various geopolitical and economic challenges that we face nationally, bilaterally, regionally, and globally. We discussed significant international issues and emerging challenges that not only impact our nation, but also the entire region, especially the West Philippine Sea. I reaffirmed that the Philippines will continue to defend our sovereignty, sovereign rights, and jurisdiction in the West Philippine Sea in accordance with international law. On the sidelines of the summit, I took the opportunity to engage leaders to discuss bilateral cooperation in strategic areas of mutual interest. I met with the leaders of Lao PDR, Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, and Kuwait. We reaffirmed commitment to strengthen bilateral relations and further advance cooperation on many fields of mutual interest, such as defense, maritime, trade, human resource and development, and education. I especially wish to note that we agreed to explore active ways to boost private sector investments. We expressed openness to cooperating on advanced technologies, AI, and the digital space. I emphasized that welfare, safety, and progress of Filipinos working and living overseas is of paramount importance to my administration. In all my bilateral engagements, one thing is clear. We have to continue to cooperate and to work together to navigate a future that presents us with many opportunities together with many challenges.